Good morning, dear children. In last class, I have discussed birds, properties of birds, and next body parts of a bird. What is the body parts of a bird? First, feet, claws, wings, feathers, eyes, and beaks. It is the common body part of the birds. Okay. And next, different features of birds. What is the different feature? First features is today we discussed. First features, feet and claws. Birds, feet and claws. How to ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಕ್. ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅವತ್ತು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಫೀಟ್. Two feet ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? This is bird feet. The bird use their feet to sit and walk. Birds using their feet to sit and walk. The all common birds are using their feet. How to use their feet? Because of they use their feet to sit and walk, and their feet and in claws that help them to hold branches of trees. It is claws. Claws is alba. They have to claws is used. Their feet end in claws. Feet. This is feet with the end in claws that help them to hold branches of trees. That help them to hold branches of trees. Birds use their feet to sit and walk. Some birds, their feet is used to sit and walk, and their feet end ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Claws that help them to hold branches of trees. That help them to hold branches of trees. And next, birds like to sit on the branches of trees where they get their food. Branches of trees ಮೇಲೆ birds ಕೂತಾಗ they use claws. Claws ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಲ್ವಾ birds? They use, and after birds like to sit on the branches of trees where they get their food. Food ಅನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕುತ್ಕೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ they have to use claws. Okay. And next, some birds use their claws to hold the food that they eat. Some use their claws to find worms from the ground. Some birds ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Some bird ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಳುಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ like ducks and swans have webbed feet. Water birds ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದ್ರ water birds like ducks and swans have webbed feet. These webbed feet with the help of to swim water. ಆ webbed feet ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ with the help of swim of water. And next, some birds like cranes and herons have long legs. Some birds like cranes and herons have long legs with long and thin toes. Long legs with long and thin toes. Okay. Water birds like ducks and swans have webbed feet. ಯಾಕೆ webbed feet ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they swim water. ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Some birds like cranes and herons have long leg with long and thin toes. Long leg ಇರುತ್ತೆ with long and thin toes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Open your textbook, page number 26. Webbed feet of swan. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cranes and herons can walk through muddy water. Cranes and herons, they walk through muddy water without their feathers getting wet. ಅದು ಮಡ್ಡಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದ್ರ ಫೀದರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವೆಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಥಿನ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಕ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆರನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥಿನ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಡ್ಡಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೇರ್ feathers without their feather getting wet. It is the features of feet and claws. First features of feet and claws is feet. The birds use their feet to sit and walk. Birds feet ಅನ್ನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, sit and walk, and their feet end in claws that help them to hold branches of trees. Feet they have to use it, feet end it is used to claws irutte, they help them with hold and branches of trees. And next, some birds use their claws to hold and that they eat. Some use their claws to find worms from the ground. Okay, some birds children used their claws by using claws to hold and food they eat, and some use their claws to find worms from the ground. ಹುಳುಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ some birds. Water birds like ducks and swan have webbed feet. Water birds ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, webbed feet ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The webbed feet they are using swim water. Some birds like cranes and herons have long leg with long and thin toes. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥಿನ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. they use these long leg and long with thin toes. With the help of their long legs, cranes and herons can walk through the muddy water and without their feather getting wet. Feather adu not getting wet. It is the features of feet and claws. And next class discuss features of beaks. Okay, beaks features na next class alli we have to learn beaks features. Okay, thank you.